Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are gonna write a Python program to input n elements into a list and print even and odd numbers separately. So this will enhance your Python skills of using list efficiently. So first what we are gonna do is we will declare a list. So it is, and then we will start a for loop so that we can enter 10 elements into that list. So I have written here for I in range 10, and then I will take input of the numbers. So I have written here ELE as a variable name, or can see element in short. Okay. And then I have written here int input using f string enter element I plus 1. And then I will append it to the list. Okay, so this is the program to enter 10 elements and append those elements into list. And then what we are gonna do is next we will declare another list of let us say name even and odd. So first I have declared a list named even. In this list I will store all the even numbers, and also I will declare another list, and let us say odd, in which I will store all odd numbers. And then I have to apply the conditions. So for applying those conditions, and we will use if else. So what we will do here is we will write for num in LST means now we are checking numbers into list. So we are taking out every number from the list which we have created initially, and then we will check it is a even number or a odd number. So for num in LST, so this will extract the first, or can say every element one by one from the main list, and then we will check if num modulus 2 equals to 0, means if we divide that number with 2, what's the remainder? So if the remainder is 0, then it is definitely a even number. If not, that will be a odd number. So if that condition gets true, we will append it to the even list which we have created here. And if this condition falls, so we will write else, we will append it to the odd list. So we will write here odd dot append num. So this is how you can separate even numbers and odd numbers. So let's print these numbers so that we can see in output. So I will write here print even numbers, and here it is. And similarly, I will also print odd numbers. So this is the program. Hope you will get to understand what this program or how this program is working. So let's run this and you will get to understand it more deeply. Okay. So here it is. So let's input 10 consecutive numbers. So why I am taking every time consecutive numbers? Because it is easy to distinguish in output. For the sum of those numbers, we already know. We can also see numbers even and odd. So that's why I take. You can enter whatever number you want. So let's input 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and similarly till 10. Okay, so here you can see even numbers are get separated into a list. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, which are even number. And the odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So here it is. So I also wanted to check with the random numbers. So let's run it again and then we will check. Okay. So this time I am gonna input just random numbers, whatever I will get into the mind. 14, 33, 77, 89, 96. Okay. So here you can see the even numbers are 34, 78, 14, 96, which is all correct. And odd numbers are 21, 11, 65, 33, 77, and 89. Okay, so these are numbers are odd numbers. So our program is running correctly. So this is how you can write a program in Python to do this. Hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.